I want to say that this is actually unbelievable.
In less than an hour, they took a perfectly blue sky day and they turned it into this. 5 X's in the sky functioning as one single unit.
I'm a lucky fisherman, doo-dah, doo-dah. Well, I say, what happened to you, dog? You look like 2 miles of bad road.
Okay, it says 59 out. I'll believe that, but it's cold. For August 22nd, 23rd, very, very cold. Okay, that's what we spent last 2 days. Wednesday was hot, I think. Doesn't matter. Dun, 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 dun.
We're getting bombarded. There's a flight. Hang on, let me flight track that. Hello, fam. I'd like to show you the 4 X's that are in the sky. We have one there that's being spread out. One that is there. That's the second one. Well, there's the third one. The fourth one is there, and you know, this one actually is a 5th one. We're gonna count this one as 5. Let's confirm this 5th X. We've got X there, X there, X there, X there. 4 X's and this 5th one, which is hard to make out, but it is there. 5 X's in the sky. High fives. High fives to the trails and the X's in the sky. This is a great example of solar management. So within 30 minutes less, these X's turned into this. 5 X's. Including like what you see right there. An amazing example of radiation management, whitening our skies, thus making solar panels worthless.
Okay, continuing the document. I made my egg sandwich. Good times, good breakfast. Food, gotta love it.
Now look at my skies. There's one laying down right there. Let me see who's flight tracking. Let's see if I can capture it. Okay, so that's messed up because flight tracker, flight tracker doesn't have this plane on it. So I don't know what's up with flight tracker, but check out that shadow. You have a line here and the shadow is right below it. There it is. Look at that shadow. I think that's kind of cool. Wow. Hey, another X.
I want to say that this is actually unbelievable. To have captured this
In less than an hour, they took a perfectly blue sky day and they turned it into this. 5 X's in the sky functioning as one single unit. Spray, 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 spray. All of it detrimental to every single person on the planet.
If you want to investigate it, what you will find is that chemtrails equal pollution, and that the chemtrails argument is an echo chamber of madness, in which you'll have people on both sides of the fence screaming at you as to what's right, what's wrong, and but they both equal pollution. Just think of the taste great, less filling beer advertising campaign of the 80s and the 90s. Once you wrap your head around that, you'll realize why we have so many health issues.
Laying down right there, got an X that's gonna be marking the spot right there. Good gravy. Look at this shit. Okay, let's see.
I'm a lucky fisherman, doo-dah, a doo-dah. Well, I say, what happened to you, dog? You look like 2 miles of bad road. What you doing there, dog?